hari yang mantap.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greeting everyone. My name is Muhammad Hussein, a student in B1 22 2040 from Department of Management, Faculty of Economy and Business, Halwala University Kendari. On this session, I will serve as both the moderator and the first presenter in the video presentation for the course Strategy Human Resource Management. As the first presenter, I will be explaining, and then my fellow group member will continue with the follow parts. Throughout this presentation, we hope to write share things about for chapter 1, strategi management until let's start at presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Consider an interactive way of thinking in managing an organizational with a focus on achieving long-term encourages leaders to view the organizational holistic and unusual not more is a student alone and the with us and adapting to change and context in the internal environments in positive in the developing and adapting a strategy actions so that the organization can capitalize on opportunities and voice starts for business growth and sustainability. Next, benefit of strategy management. Strategy management benefit habitat in term long comprehensive and intentional big to sustainability organizational not only profit momentar strategy benefit usually rather with achievement objective and organizational sustainability and strong positive in the future. Nah, in a way general, benefit strategy covers environment, power, competition, staying supportive, competitive, sustainable, our ensure regulation and ability organizational and adapt to change environment external.
Presentation Stack of Business Strategy and Policy Management. Strategy formulation. This stack begins with that formulation of the organization vision, mission, and goals. Strategy formulation includes an analysis of the external environment to identify opportunity and threats, as well an internal analysis to identify the organizational strategy and weakness. Strategy formulation. The first step in strategy formulation there is process of developing the company mission, vision, and objectives. At this step, management analyzes both internal and external environment to understand the organization's strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat, or with of the call and SWOT analysis. From this analysis, the company can decide what direction in they want to go and what the kind of strategy it should adopt. For example, cost leadership, the presentation of our focus strategy. In short, this talk about planning and decision making for the part. Strategy implementation. This is the formulation strategy most bertranslate into concrete programs, policy and overline resource allocation implementation, ILOF development sovereignty organization structure, stability operational policy, preparing budget and motivation employees. Strategy implementation. The second strategy in strategy implementation on the strategy has been formulation in most before into action. This is influence allocation, resource designing, and of private organization structure and motivation employees toward strategy goals. This is tech manager translate plan in operational activity, action responsibility, and create system to monitor performance. Communication and leadership play very important role here because even the strategy while will fail in the or implement properly. Strategy and evaluation. Evaluation assess the extent to which the implementation strategy about to achieve disaster objective. Strategy evaluation. The third track in strategy evaluation. After the strategy is implementation, the organization.
The next matter is point D is a business policy. Number one in conventional business policy. Policy conventional achievement oriented profile themselves. Guidance is more emphasis effort to obtain profit be see on condition moment. This without need pay attention to environmental factors long term. And number two, modern business policy is different with approach conventional policy, more modern business sustainability and on oriented effort and attention dynamics environmental external.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Asri. I will continue with the material in part E. A holistic view of strategic management. View holistic strategy management is method look at organization in a way comprehensive and integrative, not only part spirits. Its decision strategy must consider one internal like is between division resources power process. Two, environment external opportunity. Three, arts market trends regulation. Three, stakeholder interests. Thank you.
Okay, next, the vision and mission. Now, business vision are business not only definite, measured on his name, relation or versus establishment company. Identity a business can we call so from vision and mission a business side. Nah, clear vision and mission from a company will guide a company to direct clear and effective goals. A company vision can directing, forcing, motivating, ending, offering, inspiring, offer company in company for superior performance. Next objective and uh, one either company long-term goals. Continuity left company towards them spend a norm objective other arms others certification consumer certification employment specific owned capital merger with invents produces and technology now performance stock market value serviceful satisfactory. Uh, Next, companies sort them goals, efficiency, productivity, profit, and so the company must set target special as gainal for evaluation success. For example, ensure sales, ensure profit, produce cost operation.
Hello, let me introduction myself. My name is Siti Mukmin with student number ID B1B1222050. I'm from group 1 in the course Strategy Human Resource Management, taught by Dr. Elianti Agus Mokodompit SAMSE. Today, I will be presenting material with the title Strategy Planners. Strategy planning is the primary foundation that determines the future direction of an organization. This process is not solely the responsibility of top management, but rather the result of collaboration between various parties with varying level of responsibility. Strategy planners need to understand the organization internal and external environment, analysis industry trend, and consider stakeholder aspiration. Understand who is included in the strategy planner group is crucial. The success of a strategy is determined by the quality of strategy planners in the identifying the organization opportunity, threats, strengths, and weaknesses.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Fania Zahra and my ID number is B1B1 22018. I will continue the material that has been discussed as my friend, which is about strategy in practice. Okay, a good strategy doesn't stop the formulate stage. It must be realized in everyday organizational practice. Strategy implementation is the bright connection place. Strategy implementation in the bright connection plans to tangible result. However, this stage is often the most challenging because it involves many factors such as organization culture, resource allocation, and employee resistance. Number one, translating a strategy into work programs. Formalized strategies still nature abstract, so that need translates to in more plans concrete. Number two, resource allocation and management. Strategy only will succeed if supported by searches the educates power good in the form of funds, human resource, and technology. Number three, control, monitoring, and evaluation. Implementation of strategy is necessary monitoring to ensure it remains in accordance with objective beginning. And number four, flexibility and adaptability. And environment business always change, so the strategy does not can stay. Okay, number five is the role of organizational culture. Culture organization is supporting foundation strategy practice. Without aligned culture, strategy will difficult apply. Number 6, effective internal connection is in order for the strategy to be understood over member organization. Internal communication must be clear, consistent, and continuous. And the last, or 7, is employee involvement and participation. A strategy in practice not quite enough answer management, but all over member organization.